If you have some of these, you're probably going to need some of these. Many of us use these standard style C-clamps here, and they take forever to crank up and crank down. But that's where Stronghand Tools inserted clamps save you anywhere from 30 to 40% just being able to slide that up and down. Now, this right here is a pretty sweet setup, and you can get a lot of torque on this. As you also see, these right here just slid down into that standard welding table. So you're talking a 5/8 diameter or 16 millimeter. And at that point, you slide it down your stock, wherever it's at, and then you crank it down. You can see that it starts tilting back to put that pressure on it, so it instantly locks down what you're working on. But you can get that in the T-style handle if you prefer from the old school setup, or you can step over for the screwdriver style as well as a ratcheting style. But these things are super sweet. But when it comes to your standard clamping, many of us have your vice grips and different clamps. But hey, these clamps right here from Stronghand Tools, these things, you can get them in a 6.5 or the 8.5, and you talking about some torque on it. So this thing right here is very handy, no matter if you're a woodworker or metal worker. But then to consider that they've got the 4-in-1, that you can use this as a spreader tool. So as you see, you can put it on the inside of the stock or pipe, and then you can use this on a pipe as a standard or a round design here. So super sweet when it comes to the torque coming off the 8.5 half inch there. But Stronghand Tools, that's what they do, is they specialize in fabrication clamps as well as fixture tables and more. So this right here is their 5/8 diameter welding table that can be mounted as it is now, or it can be set on top of their tripod with or without the casters. And you can also get this with the different clamping surfaces and tools that come right along with it. So super sweet. So no matter if you're clamping, if you're welding, hey, Stronghand Tools is where it's at. So if you want to find more details coming from them, check it out at the link down below. But one of my favorites is this little finger right here. How many times have you had to hold something with your nose in place to get just a little tack on it? This right here, it's got the design so you can actually mount it flat. You can just about set it in a 90-degree turn, or you can run it over the top of pipe. So at that point, you can use it as a ground. You can use it as a quick little finger just as it is. But if you need something on a couple different angles, this is their switchable magnet here. So you can see no magnetism, but you got 3 different options on it. It's an off, a midway, and an on. So as soon as you slap it over to the midway, hurt. So now you got a mild surface there, but then when you crank it down on the on, hey, that thing it's putting the torque down. So if you want to find more from Stronghand Tools, check it out at the link down below. You will not be disappointed in it.